Yeah, so let's continue the discussion on dynamics of rotation. So if you see, one of the most important topics is rolling. Now I'm going to discuss two cases of rolling. One where your center of mass of the rolling body, could be sphere, cylinder, disc, etc., is zero. So there is no net force on this body, which means, as per the Newton's second law, F is equal to ma, there is no acceleration, there is no external force. And in this case, your velocity of center of mass is equal to omega r. Since there is no linear acceleration of center of mass, there is no angular acceleration, and hence even the torque is zero. See, this is one case where you are rolling without accelerating. So when we study forces of rolling, we need to understand both the situations. When the acceleration of center of mass is zero, the angular acceleration is zero, and the second case is when both of these are not zero. We will study this in the next video. Thank you.